Hello, this is lecture 10, fourth sem, Maths 1, Unit 1, Vector Calculus, Vector Calculus 1 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. This is lecture 10. Already we have up to the lecture 9. Fourth sem, Maths 1, Unit 1, Vector Calculus 1 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Let us see a few more problems of the derivative of the sum or the difference, dot product and the cross product of two or three vectors. So problem 1 and 2 we discussed in lecture 9, whereas in lecture 10 we have the third problem. If a bar is equal to t square I bar minus tj bar plus 3t k bar and b bar is equal to 2t square minus 3 of I bar plus tj bar minus 5 k bar. Then find first one, d by dt of a bar plus b bar. Second one, d by dt of a bar minus b bar. Next, solution. For first one, let a bar is equal to t square I bar minus tj bar plus 3t k bar and b bar is equal to 2t square minus 3 of I bar plus tj bar minus 5k bar. Next, dA bar by dt is equal to dA bar by dt is equal to 2t I bar minus j bar plus 3k bar and dB bar by dt is equal to, so b bar can be differentiated with respect to t, that is 4t square I bar minus 3 is constant 0 plus j bar, this is no t is there, it is 0 or plus 0. Next, d by dt of the first one, a bar plus b bar is equal to dA bar by dt plus dB bar by dt is equal to 2t I bar minus j bar plus 3k bar plus 4t square I bar plus j bar. When you write plus 0k bar is equal to, so I bar terms, it is minus j bar plus k bar is to be minus j bar plus j bar is to be cancelled. The remaining terms are to be this is not 4t square, it is 4p is equal to 60 I bar plus 3k bar. The second problem, d by dt of a bar minus b bar is equal to dA bar by dt minus dB bar by dt is equal to dA bar by dt is 2t I bar minus j bar plus 3k bar minus of 4t I bar plus j bar is equal to, so I bar terms first, here is 2t I bar minus 4t I bar, so that minus 2t I bar, j bar terms are to be minus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar. Take minus is common, suppose 2t I bar plus 2t j bar, that is 2 j bar minus 3 k bar. So easy to find the derivative of sum and difference of two vectors. Next, fourth problem. In first problem, if a bar is equal to 5t square I bar plus tj bar minus t cube k bar and b bar is equal to sin t I bar minus cos t j bar, then find small a problem, d by dt of a bar dot a bar. B problem, d by dt of a bar dot b bar. C problem, d by dt of a bar cross b bar. Next, so this problem is asking in 2017. Next, second problem in 4. If a bar is equal to e power t I bar plus j bar plus cos t k bar and b bar is equal to I bar plus sin t j bar plus k bar, then find d by dt of a bar dot b bar. Next, solution for the first problem. Let a bar is equal to 5t square I bar plus tj bar minus t cube k bar and b bar is equal to sin t I bar minus cos t j bar. Next, first problem, that is a problem. Now a problem, a bar dot a bar is equal to 5t square I bar plus tj bar minus t cube k bar dot phi t square I bar plus t j bar minus t cube k bar. So the dot product of two vectors is enough to multiply I bar coefficients plus j bar coefficients plus k bar coefficients. It is now phi t square into phi t square plus j bar coefficients t into t minus, that is plus, minus t cube into minus t cube is equal to 25 t power 4 plus t square plus t power 6. Next, d by dt of a bar dot a bar is equal to d by dt of 25 t power 4 plus t square plus t power 6 is equal to 100 t cube plus 2t plus 6t power 5. In order, 6t power 5 plus 100 t cube plus 2t. Next, second problem. It is B problem in small one. Second problem is find derivative of a bar dot b bar. I can find a bar dot b bar first. Is equal to a bar is now phi t square I bar plus t j bar minus t cube k bar dot b bar is sin t I bar minus cos t j bar is equal to the dot product of two vectors is to be multiply the corresponding I bar, j bar, k bars and adding. So that 5t square into sin t, 5t square into sin t plus, that is my plus t into minus cos t. There is no k bar here, so that it is to be plus 0 k bar also to be written. So that these two, t cube into 0 is 0. That is minus t cube into plus of minus t cube into 0 is equal to 5t square sin t minus t cos t. Next, whose derivative? d by dt of a bar dot b bar is equal to d by dt of 5t square sin t minus t cos t is equal to, so UV method, 5t square cos t plus 10t sin t. Next, minus t constant minus t minus sin t, cos t differentiation, as minus is common suppose, plus cos t constant, t differentiation is 1, UV method is equal to 5t square cos t, 5t square cos t plus 10t sin t plus t sin t minus cos t is equal to 5t square cos t plus 11t sin t minus cos t. This is B problem. Similarly, the C problem. So C problem. So here derivative of cross product of two vectors. So first of all, I can find the cross product of a bar and b bar with the help of determinant I bar, j bar, k bar. I bar coefficients in a bar. In the second row, 5t square, j bar coefficient is t, k bar coefficient is minus t cube. Next in b bar, in third row, I bar coefficient is sin t, j bar coefficient is minus cos t, k bar coefficient is 0. Is equal to the simplification of the determinant now, I bar into 0 minus into minus is plus. Next it is to be minus again t cube cos t minus j bar into minus j bar into 0 plus t cube sin t plus k bar into, delete this, so that 5t square, that is minus 5t square cos t minus t sin t is equal to minus t cube cos t I bar minus t cube sin t j bar plus minus 5t square cos t minus t sin t of k bar. So d by dt of a bar cross b bar is equal to differentiate this, as minus is to be outside, t cube is constant, cos t differentiation is minus sin t, plus cos t is constant, 3 cube differentiation is 3t square of I bar. Next again minus is to be common, t cube sin t differentiation is cos t plus sin t into 3t square of j bar plus or minus is to be, the total is outside, differentiation of this 5t square into minus sin t plus cos t into 10t. Next minus, for this differentiation is t cos t plus sin t into 1. This is, the total is of k bar is equal to the simplification is now, the simplification is I bar terms, j bar terms, k bar terms, as minus to be sent inside, it is t cube sin t minus 3t square cos t of I bar. Next minus this one, t cube cos t plus 3t square sin t of j bar. Next last one, plus minus is to be take outside from all, plus 5t square sin t minus 10t cos t, as minus is to be common, this is to be minus t sin t minus sin t of k bar. So this is derivative of a bar cross b bar. And the second problem is there. Let second problem is to be find a for homework. Take this problem to homework. Second problem. So what is the second problem? Is info. Let a bar is equal to e power t I bar plus j bar plus cos t k bar, and b bar is equal to I bar plus sin t j bar plus k bar. Then d by dt of, then find d by dt of a bar dot b bar. So this problem you can find. So answer is e power t plus cos t minus sin t. So thank you very much. The remaining problems we will see in the next lecture.